लेट्स सी कितने निकलते हैं। 3 निकलने चाहिए, कितने क्या ठीक है। सो दिस इज Isagi, then this is Levi, and this is why do I forgot? So let's start with this bushy brow. I forgot his name. Zenjutsu or so, and this is, and ये ऐसे आता है. So this is like a insert, and थोड़ा सा डिफिकल्ट है इंसर्ट डालना, बट इट्स ओके. एंड दैट दिस इज, यहाँ पे 2 स्लॉट्स है लेग्स के लिए. एंड विल इट गो, नो आई थिंक उल्टा, या उल्टा मेक मोर सेंस. ने ऐसे डाला तो यस, bushy brow is ready. How can I forgot the name? Just let me tell you, the face, everything looks amazing. Doesn't have the original pura box, but the face ka texture, the style, everything looks excellent. Like excellent. Like it's the perfectly there. Like how its face supposed to look. The legs थोड़ा सा fitting में, मतलब अभी वो थोड़ा ठोकेंगे तो हो जाएगा. So the fitting is also proper. Everything. I'll just try to take a zoom in view. Just look at the legs. This is, and then the pouch, then piche, and his face. Everything looks amazing. Like you see the face, the side say, the head cover, and the classic pose, the legs. These are weights. He wear a weight like too much. So, and जहाँ पे legs फंस रहे हैं, everything, just look at all the details. Everything looks amazing. And so yeah, and no complaints. Always this is best. Link in the description if you like to buy. And this is so definitely recommended. Definite. Everything looks good, amazing, and clean, and the best. This is like quite good. So yeah, link in the description for this. Bye bye. Thank you.